Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's Udimi solo ads training, I'm going to go live and show you how to buy a solo ad on Udemy. And I'm live in my back office of Udemy. There'll be a link in the description where you can set up a free account and then you can go in and have a look around and just really sort of familiarize yourself with what this platform is all about. Short video today just to show you the basics of what I go through when I place an order. Along the top you'll see these different tabs here, and I've gone into solo deals so I can get some discounted traffic today. And for the purpose of this video I have had a good look through, and just to save time, and I'm going to buy with Parvin Akhtar. And the reason for that is she's showing 100% tier 1 traffic, which is United States of America, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. It's from her premium list. They're desktop clicks, so they're not from a mobile, and they're within the make money online and biz offer niche, which is what I'm going to promote with this offer. She's also got a price of 41 cents. I'm in England. 41 cents per click, which is within my budget. And she's previously had 170 orders, so she's quite well recognized on the Udemy platform. I'm going to click on her link here. That will take me through to the sort of payment page here and how you set things up. And it's sort of preset here with this scroller at 1,000 links. And then what you do is you just slide this icon here, and you'll see the clicks are changing. So depending, and you'll see the price down here is changing as well. Depending how many clicks you want to order, you adjust, you scroll this over here, and you'll get a price at the bottom depending on what you can afford and what's within your budget. So today I'm going to go for 150 clicks, which is $64.50. Then you come over to here and you set a date when you want the solo ad run to actually get started. And a lot of these sellers tend to do this over a few days period. So today's date is, bear with me, is the 13th in the UK. So I'm going to start this for tomorrow, the 14th. In fact, that's the first date on there that she's allowing you to set the run to get started. So I'm going to go with the 14th of September. And again, you've now got an option of whether you want to just go to this here says only link, and this is my lead capture page here that I'm promoting, or you can put your ad text in and then you can do some ad copy if you want to do your own ad copy. Some of the solo ad providers on here will do the ad copy for you. Some do it for free, some charge an extra cost. But what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just sending it to a link, and then they decide what to put in there. They know their list and they know what ad copy to put in there to get people to take action on your lead capture page. You've got a few more options under here. Prime filter, I'm not going to go in today. That's for the advanced paid members. Only top tier, you'll pay a little bit more there if you want 100%, but she's already doing 100% top tier, so that doesn't affect this run. If you want to go only mobile, then you don't want anybody to see your lead capture page on a tablet or a desktop or a laptop, just mobile, then you'll pay an extra 5 cents per click for that. And if you don't want your lead capture page to be seen on a smartphone, mobile device, then you pay an extra 10 cents per click for that. But I'm happy just to have all of those. I'm not going to tick any of those boxes there. So I'm all set for the 14th of September, which is tomorrow. 150 clicks are going to go to my lead capture page, and that's going to cost me a total of $64.50. I'm also checking this box here, which is allow the seller to start traffic early, delivery early than the 14th of September. So if she sees this and says and decides if she's not too busy, then she might send this today, and I'm quite happy with that as well. You would just uncheck that if you want to start on the 14th and excuse me, the day the day you scheduled. I'm going to click on finish the order, and just bear with me. I'm going to cancel that because I'm going to go through PayPal. So let's try that again. Finish the order and go through PayPal. This is the actual my PayPal account email address. So I'm just going to blur that information out there for you and skip this information. So I'm going to click on yes to accept my PayPal. And just while that's loading up, so you've got option of a card payment, and you've also got option to pay by PayPal. That's a bit of a tongue twister. And it says here, waiting for Parvin to accept your order. So because I've got PayPal already set up within the Udimi account, then it's gone straight, and the payment's gone straight through. And I can always go to my orders there, and I can check that's gone through correctly. And you'll see here that she accepts the order on an hour average, and you'll get an email notification within your email inbox. And there's also a messaging system within the Udimi platform where you can message each other directly, and that's a great way to communicate if you've got any concerns or questions, or you want some help with anything. So that's really very simply, once you've learned this process, it can literally take a couple of minutes just for you to buy a Udimi solo ad. A little overcap here, a little review. We've got free to join for Udimi. There'll be a link in the description. The great thing about Udimi is to build your business, you're going to be advertising to buyers. The majority of these sellers on Udimi have got a buyer's list, and you can build your own buyer's list by promoting a lead capture page to their list. So it's a great way of building your own list. Solo ads are a great way to leverage and build your business fast, because you're leveraging other people's lists to build your own list. You can also earn affiliate commissions by promoting Udimi as well. So remember, people always need good quality traffic, and all the orders that I place with Udimi, the person who referred me, they get a commission every single time I place an order. So it's a great way of earning a regular income stream when you build up some affiliate commissions from your referrals. If you want some more help with Udimi, I'll give you one-to-one mentoring and support, because I do use the platform to build my online business. And if you've enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for my new videos if you'd like to see new videos from me. I do several new videos every week. I've currently got 380 videos on the channel, and I talk a lot about the core fundamentals of making money online, which are tools, traffic, and training. I call them the 3 T's, and I've got free and paid options for tools, traffic, and training. And I show you proof of what's working for me as well. There's some opportunities here that might be of interest to you. I talk about list building, how to build a YouTube channel, and lots of other different aspects of making money online as well there. And I categorize the videos into playlists, and I think the Udimi playlist, I'm going to start a Udimi playlist because I've done a previous couple of videos on this. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a Udimi playlist, and I'll pin that playlist to the top comment below this video, because a previous video that I did was on the benefits of Udimi, I'm not quite sure where that is on here. I did one recently on the benefits of Udemy, this video here. So I'm going to start a Udemy playlist and do some more reviews and updates on how to use the platform. And I'll pin this playlist to the top comment below this video. So if you've got any questions at all on this video, please leave those in the comments below and I'll answer those for you. And thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.